Names and particulars of first directors shall be decided by subscribers. Their particulars shall be submitted along with the documents of incorporation. Additional directors may also be appointed in general meeting. First director shall retire at first AGM. Directors of the company shall fix number of directors at least 35 days before general meeting at which directors are to be elected. Number shall not be changed except prior approval of the members. Notice of meeting shall expressly state: number of elected directors fixed. Names of retiring director. Anyone who seeks to contest in election of director shall, whether he is a retiring director or otherwise, file with company a notice of his intention at least 14 days before the meeting. Notice may be withdrawn at any time before election. All such notices shall be transmitted to the members at least 7 days before the meeting. For listed company, notice shall be published in one Urdu and one English newspaper, in respective language, having wide circulation. Votes available to each member is equal to number of shares held multiplied by number of directors, seats. Member may give all votes to one candidate or may divide votes between the contestants. Candidate getting the highest votes elected as director, and then the candidate getting next highest votes shall be so declared, and so on until total directors elected. Issue shares, debentures or other redeemable capital, borrow money other than debentures, sell or dispose of assets having book value exceeding 100,000. Declare interim dividend, invest company's funds, make loans, incur capital expenditure on any single item, or undertake leasing obligation exceeding Rs 1 million, to take over or acquire controlling interest stake in another, approve bonus to employee. Approve annual or periodic accounts, authorize a director, or firm, of which he is a partner, or private company, of which he is a director, to transact with company, if amount is material as per accounting principles, to write off debts, to write of inventories, to determine terms and circumstances for compromise in a lawsuit, or reduction/extinction of claim in favor of company. Court may declare election of directors or any of them as invalid if satisfied that there is material irregularity in procedures. On application of members having at least 10% voting power who have applied within 30 days of the date of election. If a person acquires requisite shareholding to get him elected as a director, he may require the company to hold fresh election. Number of directors fixed shall not be decreased. Board shall as soon as practicable within 30 days proceed to hold fresh election. A listed company shall follow procedure as may be specified by SECP for such fresh election. Whenever a director is interested in any of the business of the company, he should disclose the same to other directors at first meeting in which discussion was started. Moreover, he cannot take part in the discussion, or vote over the approval of the matter in which he is interested, nor to be counted in the quorum of the meeting. In relation to a company means an individual who, subject to the control and directions of the directors, is entrusted with the whole, or substantially the whole of the powers of management of the affairs of the company, and includes a director, or any other person occupying the position of a chief executive by whatever name called, and whether a contract of service or otherwise. First chief executive shall be decided by subscribers of MOA. His specified particulars shall be submitted along with the documents of incorporation. He shall hold office till first AGM or shorter period, if fixed by directors, unless resigns or earlier is removed. He, his spouse and children are prohibited to engage in a business which competes with his company or its subsidiary. If he is engaged in any of the business at the time of his appointment, he shall disclose the details of such business. Chief Executive can be removed from his office by 3/4 majority of total number of directors in their meeting, or by special resolution, or by government/authority/person nominated authorized by it, where more than 75% of voting rights are held by the government.